Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a Roblox GFX profile, alright? So first up you wanna open Roblox Studio and you wanna find the user that you wanna create the GFX profile on. Or it can be yourself. So I usually delete the base plate because it sometimes gets in the way. Then you wanna go to AlreadyPro's plugin, the load character plugin. I'll leave the link in the description. And we're going to be creating a profile for my good friend Coke. So once we have this, we're gonna I like to take off, or I'm gonna take off the arms because I don't like it. Obtained, and then if you want to delete the arms, just click this little button and then delete the upper arm, the lower arm, and the hand. Alright, so now that we got this, we just wanna get the animation editor. I'll also leave a link to this, and you wanna click the torso to animate. Click select, and this should pop up. And there's not a lot of animate here, so I'm just gonna animate the legs. And then get a pose you like, and we're gonna go click on the model here, or just have it selected, click anchor. Then we're gonna left click on this, or right click, click export selection. I already have it saved, so I'm gonna click cancel, but make sure you don't put it in system 32 because that's where it usually saves. Alright, so now that we're done with that, I'll see you in the next application. Alright guys, so now I'm in Lightroom, which is an application with Blender. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. So, alright, so you want to it usually spawns over there, so you want to do that. And if you haven't already spawned it in, just click Import, Wavefront Legacy OBJ. Click the file you want, and then click Import. So now, you want to see where it is, and make sure you have good placement. So, right now it does not have good placement. Right, so to see it, you just click render. Oops. Render, and then render image right there. Bring this up. Right there. It's kind of hard to get it to be in the exact center, so sometimes I don't. Alright, so now that now that we've done that, we want to go ahead and click viewport shading. It's next to this. So now you can change the lights color, but I've already got my lights color. I think these lights look good for the avatar, but you can always change them by clicking this and then clicking right here, and you can change the color. And then once you're done with that, you want to go back and click on whatever character or whatever it's named. Usually the roughness is like up here at 1. You're going to turn it down all the way to 0. Then the metallic is usually at 0. Turn the metallic up to somewhere in the 200s. I wouldn't go below 200 and above 280. So it doesn't look too flat or too shiny. So now that you've got the shininess in the avatar, once it's done rendering, you're going to want to go over here, click image up here, save as, make sure it's in downloads, Coke, or save it as whatever you want. I've already got it saved, so alright, I'll see you in the next application. Alright, so what application I have here is called Paint.net. It's a really good picture editing app. I don't know what you call it, but I usually use this to make my thumbnails and my GFX profiles. So usually the image size I use is 900 by 900 or 800 by 800, whatever flows with you best, and then open up your browser and then search up the main color of your avatar and click spiral or ray background and 900 by 900 or 800 by 800. Click on over to images, click one you want. I like this one. There's a huge variety of images like this, so there's a lot to choose from. Click enter to get rid of those lines, and then open a new file and click your thing right here, and your file, it should look like this. And you want to take out the magic wand, and to select multiple items at once, make sure you're holding control. And make sure to get all the spots, alright? So now you're going to copy that to your keyboard or your clipboard, and we're going to paste it in the middle. Okay, we can delete this. Sometimes I like to add a little glow background, so I'll show you how to do that. So you want to create a new layer, paste it, make sure it's in the middle. Now duplicate this layer. And now we want to go onto the second layer, take out your paint bucket tool, take out a color you like, and just start clicking. It will come up eventually. See, look. We can add a little blur to the background. So now you want to go ahead, click blur, Gaussian blur, and radius. Make it however you like. I usually like it in the 15s. And now we have a little background. So go ahead and flatten this. Alright, so now if you want to add text, add text. Sometimes I add text. And the font I use is usually Comica Access, which is downloadable on the font. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Go ahead and select this, and to do a background on the text, I usually don't just like it being black. So, create a new text, make sure it says the same thing, pick a color you want, put it on top of it, and then bring it to whichever side you want, bring it up, bring it down, select it to your preferences, and there you go. That's how you make a Roblox GFX profile. See you guys in another video.